All right. If you are an at-home learner, you probably remember that we reread the story, and some of my at-home learners did the response yesterday. So if you have not done page 113 in your reader, you can do that today at home. You're responding to the text. You are thinking about a place in the story and using the picture to help you tell about that place. What does it look like? What do you see in the picture? So pick a place and write about it in your spiral notebook. The directions are on page 113 in your book. Now, our class did that yesterday, but some remote learners might not have done that yet. Our class doesn't need to go to that page right now. Your book should be closed. This story was informational text. That means you learned real facts about real things, and there were photographs. In it, there are text features like headings and labels. So on each page, there was a label that told you the place they were. There's also graphic features that are photos or drawings, and they let you know details and ideas. So even if the author doesn't write in words what's in the picture, you can see what's in the picture. So that's called using a graphic detail. Then the author would use certain words or phrases to help you understand more about the text. So we have read Lucia's Neighborhood, informational text, and we're going to go to page 110 in your book. 110. Yes, now's the time to open your book to page 110. Okay, we're going to go pretty far, so you can take big chunks at a time to get there.
100 what?
110. Okay. Very good. And on 5, I'm going to borrow your book, okay? 4, 3, 2, and 1. We are ready. In Lucia's Neighborhood, the author uses special features to tell more about the neighborhood. So I want you to find a picture and tell me what information do the photos show. Each of you can find one photograph in the story and tell me what you see. Raise your hand and you can share. What do you see? Okay. Jack, way back there, tell me something that you see in the photo that you picked. So what information lets you know that? Did the author say parrot? No. How do you know there is a parrot? Because he sees a parrot in Lucia's hand. Where are they in that picture? At the pet shop. How do you know they are at the pet shop? Because the label. So the label helps you know what is in the picture. Looking at the picture and describing it helps you know. Those are the text features and the graphic features that help you know. They give you the information. Tori, do you have a different page that you want to tell us about? What? What page are you on? 106, and where are they? 102? Okay, 102. What is on page 102? What place is that? The bakery. What tells you it is the bakery? She sees the picture of the baker. What else lets you know that it's a bakery? Isaiah, what else lets you know that it's a bakery?
The details.
There's details in the picture that let you know because you see baked goods, you see donuts and cookies. What else lets you know it's a bakery? Maddie?
The label.
The label, exactly. So those are text features and graphic features. Luke, do you have another picture you want to tell us about?
Their home.
Their home. How do you know it is their home?
Because on the label it says my home.
The label says my home. What else lets you know it's a home?
Because so in the picture, there's his family and I see a window and doors.
He sees things that look like a home, and he sees Lucia's family there with her. So today, I'm going to give you a paper that you're going to fill out. You're going to draw a graphic feature from the story that helped you understand what was going on in the story. So what are you doing first? Drawing a graphic feature that helps you understand what is going on in the story. Then you're going to explain how it helped you. So I'm going to give you an example, and I don't want you to use this one. If I was going to do my home, and I used this one a little bit yesterday, I would draw a picture of what I see in the book, of the home. Then I would write, how does this help me understand what's going on in the story? It helps me understand because the author says it is fun. Is it fun to be home? You bet it is. The picture helps me understand because I see smiles on their faces. I see that she has brought home a plant. I see that her family is greeting her as she comes to the door. Those are the things that help me understand what has happened in the story. That Lucia and her mom are now at their home. Other family members are there. She's brought home something that she got on her visit to the neighborhood. I can tell they're happy. I can tell it must be fun because they have smiles on their faces. That is how that graphic feature, that picture, helps me understand more about the ending of that story. So you're going to pick a different one and do that same thing for the picture you choose.